till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I hope you guys know how much I appreciate you being here. We've come so far. Like, we're just talking about like my little teeny tiny room that I started out in, and just to have like this big huge space, and God just is like, here you go. He's like just pouring his blessings over me, and I'm just so grateful. And my auntie, like, this couldn't have even happened without you two. So you know how much, and you grab me too. Thank you. And then especially my husband.